3029
and Team 3184
would like to invite 5990.
5990 is not competing today because of holidays. Okay, thank you very much. Okay, oh, interesting. So, 5990 was selected. There's a letter from 5990. Trigon 5990 is a proud and dedicated group of young individuals from Israel who have worked tirelessly to participate in the first robotics competition. We come from a religious Jewish background, and our faith is an integral part of who we are. Saturdays, Shabbat, hold a special significance in the Jewish faith. It is a time when we disconnect and focus on our spiritual well-being, our families, God, and our communities. Because of this, our team will not be present and competing during the remainder of the competition. We encourage you to visit our pit to learn more. We would like to thank first for the opportunity to be here. We congratulate all our peer teams who have made this event so inspiring for us. We wish all teams the very best of luck in the competition. Thank you, Trigon 5990. Thank you, Trigon, for giving us a very important reminder about the importance of things outside of robotics. Are you ready for your